watching these videos. In this video, I'm explaining the circles MZ problems, and this is the video number 3. And the students who will follow these videos will definitely get very good marks in the coming MZ examination. So all of you watch the videos, make the notes, practice the sums, okay? And in the description, I'm giving the link of the practice problems of the circles chapter PDF. And after watching the video, all of you once open the description and see the PDF and solve those questions also. Those questions also very important. Okay, let us start the class. Now this is sum number 17. The question is, a rod PQ of length 2a slides with its ends on the axis, then the locus of the circumcenter of the triangle OPQ is equals to. So given that a rod of the length PQ, this is the rod of the length PQ, moves such that slides with its ends on the coordinate axis. The ends of the rod are on the coordinate axis. The rod slides on the coordinate axis. Okay. Then what is the locus of the circumcenter, and also given that length of the PQ is equal to 2e. Now what is the locus of the circumcenter? Okay, see here, this is the circumcenter. Since this is the right angle triangle, the circumcenter is nothing but the midpoint of the hypotenuse. Okay, this is the origin 0, 0. Now I take that this point is equal to P, 0, and this point is equal to 0, Q. Okay, and suppose circumcenter is equal to x, y. Now what are the coordinates here? X, y is equals to x1 plus x2 by 2, p plus 0 by 2, that is p by 2, and y1 plus y2 by 2, 0 plus q by 2, that is q by 2. That is the value of the p is equal to 2x and q is equal to 2y. Okay, and clearly from the diagram here, this is the value p and this is the value q, and since it is the right angle triangle, what is the condition? Side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse whole square, that is p square plus q square is equal to 2a whole square. Side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. But what is p value? 2x, that is p square is equal to 4x square and q square is equal to 4y square, and this is 4a square. Therefore, the answer is x square plus y square is equal to a square, and that is the last option. That's all. Sum number 18. If the points 5, 0, 0, 12 and minus 5, 0 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle, then what is the equation of its incircle? So, we want the equation of the incircle. For that, first we want the incenter. Okay, just I am finding the incenter. So, see here. First I take that the point is equals to A and this point is equal to B and this point is equal to C. Okay. And suppose this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2, this is x3, y3. Okay. Now first I find the distances ABC. What is small a distance? BC. What is BC distance here? 0 plus 5 whole square plus 12 minus 0 whole square. That is 25 plus 144, 169 under square root of that is equal to 13. Okay, and B is equal to CE. What is the distance between these two? 10 square, 100 plus 0, that is equals to 10. Okay, C is equal to AB. What is AB distance? This is also 25 plus 144 root 169 is equal to 13. Okay, these are the distances. Now what is the incenter formula? Incenter is equal to ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 by a plus b plus c, and ay1 plus by2 plus cy3 by a plus b plus c. This is the incenter formula. Now replacing the values. Okay, listen, what are the values here? A is equal to 13 and x1 is equal to 5, 65, and b is equal to 10, x2 is equal to 0, that is 0. C is equal to 13, this is x3 is equal to minus 5, minus 65 by a plus b plus c is equal to 36. Okay, 26 plus 10. Now ay1, 13 into 0, 0, by2, 10 into 12, that is 120 plus cy2, 13 into 0, that is 0 by 36. Therefore, the incenter is equal to 0, 120 by 36 is equal to 10 by 3. 12 table cancellation. Okay, this is the incenter. Now we are checking the center of the given equations from the options. Okay, see the first option first. What is the first option? Center. Clearly the center of the first option is equal to here 0, 10 by 3. So the answer is the first option. Okay. Once check the options. To the first option, here we have the center is equal to 0 comma 10 by 3. Yes, this is the correct answer. To the remaining equation, center is not equal to 0 comma 10 by 3. So this is the correct answer. That's all. Next question, sum number 19. Equation of the circle passing through the points a1 comma 2, b5 comma 2 such that the angle subtended by AB at the points on the circle is pi by 4 is. Okay. What is the question? We want the equation of the circle passing through the given points. We want the equation of the circle passing through the given points. So what is the procedure? Just to taking the verification. Just to do the verification to get the answer. Okay. So take the first option. What is the first option here? X square plus y square minus 6x minus 8 is equal to 0. Now substituting the first point here, 1 plus 4 minus 6 minus 8, which is not equal to 0. So this is not the correct answer. Okay. Now check the second option. That is 1 plus 4 minus 6 minus 16 plus 17. Yes, this is equal to 0. Now replacing the, here third and fourth options are also not satisfied. So this is the only option which is satisfied by the given point. So this is the correct answer. Find the equation of the circle passing to the given points, means just to taking the verification. Okay, this is the option which is satisfied by the given points. So answer is the second option. Next problem, sum number 20. The equation of the circle concentric with x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15 is equal to 0 and having y-intercept is equal to 8. Okay. Concentric with the given circle and y-intercept is equal to 8. Now taking the options one by one and checking the y-intercept value. Okay. Just I take the first option first. Okay. What is y-intercept formula? 2 root f square minus c. 2 root f square minus c is equal to. Now finding this value to the first option. What is f value in the first option? F is equal to 6. That is 36 minus of minus plus 16, which is not equals to 8. That is first option is not the correct answer. Now checking the second option, 2 root f square minus c. 2 root f is equal to, again here also f is equal to 6. That is f square 36 plus 28, which is not equals to 8. So this is not the correct answer. Now checking the third option, 2 root f square minus c is equals to 2 into square root of 36 minus 20. This is equal to 16. Root 16 is equal to 4. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Yes, this is the correct answer. That is answer is the third option. That's all. Next question, sum number 21. If the points 1 comma minus 6, 5 comma 2, 7 comma 0, minus 1 comma k are concyclic, then what is k value? Okay. So concyclic means the equation of the circle passing through the first 3 points also passes through the fourth point. That is the meaning of the concyclic circles. That is the meaning of the concyclic points. That is, all the 4 points lie on the same circle. All the 4 points lie on the same circle. Okay. That is, first we take the equation of the circle passing through the first 3 points and replacing the last point in that equation. Okay. So first I take that the first point is equal to A and the second point is equal to B and the third point is equal to C. And I take the slopes values. AB slope value. AB slope value is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x. 8 by 4. That is 8 by 4 is equal to 2. Okay. Next, slope of BC. Slope of BC is equal to minus 2 by 2. That is equals to minus 1. Next, slope of AC. Slope of AC is equal to 6 by 6. That is equals to 1. So clearly here BC and CA are perpendicular to each other. Okay. Clearly here product of the slopes is equal to minus 1, means the lines BC and CA are perpendicular to each other. Okay. Here what is m1 into m2? 1 into minus 1 is equal to minus 1. That is, these two lines are perpendicular to each other like that. So what is the common point here? This is C and these 2 points are A comma B. Now what is circumcenter here? Circumcenter is nothing but the midpoint of the hypotenuse. So here circumcenter is nothing but the midpoint of hypotenuse. Now finding that point here. So 1 plus 5 by 2, that is 6 by 2 is equal to 3. 2 minus 6 by 2. Minus 4 by 2 is equal to minus 2. Therefore center is equal to, here center of the circle is equal to 3 comma minus 2. And what is radius value? Taking the distance between these 2 points. Okay, 3 minus 1 whole square, that is 4 plus minus 2 plus 6 whole square, that is 16, that is radius is equal to root 20. So this is the center and radius. Now what is the equation of the circle? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, that is x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square is equal to 20. Now we replace that minus 1 comma k point in this equation, since given that the points are the concyclic. Points on the concyclic means replacing this point in this equation. Okay, minus 1 minus 4, that is 16 plus k plus 2 whole square is equals to 20. That is k plus 2 whole square is equal to 4. Then k plus 2 is equal to plus or minus 2. Therefore, the value of k is equal to 0 and value of k is equal to minus 4. Already given that k not equals to 0. Therefore, the value of k is equal to minus 4. That's all. And that is the second option. Very easy. Next problem sum number 22. If the lines 2x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0 and 3x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0, intersect the coordinate axis in the concyclic points, then the center of the circle passing through those points is equal to. Very easy question. The lines cut the coordinate axis at the concyclic points, then what is the center of the circle? Very easy. Just multiply the two equations here. Just simply take the product of the two equations here. That is, what is the first value? Just I am taking the values in the order. 2x into 3x is equal to 6x square. And making the xy term is equal to 0. Don't write the xy term here. Here we should take that xy term is equal to 0. Next write the y square term. What is y square term? Minus 3y into minus 2y. That is plus 6y square. Just leave the xy term. No need to write the xy term here. Okay. X square term, y square term. Next value x term, that is 2x into 1 is equal to 2x, 3x into 1 is equal to 3. 2x plus 3x, that is equals to 5x. Okay. Next minus 3y into 1 is equal to minus 3y, minus 2y into 1 is equal to minus 2y, that is minus 5y. And last value constant is equal to 1 into 1 is equal to 0. Very easy. Within single step we can take the product value here. Just listen. X term into x term, x square, y term into y term, y square, x into constant, 5x, y into constant, minus 5y, constant into constant. That's all. Now this is the clearly this is the equation of the circle. Just to taking the center. What is the center? G is equal to 5 by 12 here. Okay, 5 by 6 2G, that is 5 by 12. And F is equal to minus 5 by 12. Therefore, the center is equal to minus 5 by 12 comma 5 by 12. Minus G comma minus F. That's all. This is the answer and that is the last option. Okay. Next question sum number 23. If A is equal to 2 comma 1 by 2, B is equal to 3 comma 1 by 3, C is equal to 4 comma 1 by 4, D is equal to K comma 1 by K. Are concyclic points, then what is key value? Very easy question. Suppose if the points are xi comma 1 by xi or the concyclic points. If the points xi comma 1 by xi are the concyclic points, then the answer is equals to x1, x2, x3, x4 is equal to 1. That is product of the all x coordinates is equals to 1. Okay. That is 2 into 3 into 4 into k is equal to 1. That is 24k is equal to 1. Therefore, the value of k is equal to 1 by 24. That's all. And that is the third option. This is the direct formula. Here the condition is the points are in the form 2 comma 1 by 2. That is x comma 1 by x comma. X comma 1 by x form. Okay, if the points are in the form of x comma 1 by x, the points are like that, then we apply this condition. x1, x2, x3, x4 is equal to 1. That's all. That is the answer.